An NFT, which stands for non-fungible token, works as a digital certificate of ownership stored on a blockchain network. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are interchangeable with each other, an NFT is unique and cannot be replaced by something identical. This uniqueness makes NFTs suitable for representing digital assets like artwork, music, videos, collectibles, or even virtual land inside online worlds. When someone creates an NFT, the process is called minting, and it writes a record onto the blockchain that proves the item's existence and ownership. The blockchain acts like a public digital ledger, ensuring that the NFT cannot be altered, duplicated, or erased. Each NFT contains metadata that describes the asset it represents, such as the creator's name, a link to the digital file, and transaction history. Owning an NFT does not always mean owning the copyright of the artwork or media itself, but it proves ownership of the token tied to it. The value of an NFT comes from scarcity, demand, and proof of authenticity, much like a signed collectible in the physical world. Marketplaces allow people to buy, sell, or trade NFTs, with transactions verified through smart contracts that automatically enforce the rules of the exchange. NFTs have expanded beyond art into gaming, virtual real estate, sports highlights, and identity verification systems. They can also provide creators with royalties every time their NFT is resold, offering a new way for artists to earn income. Supporters see NFTs as a revolution in digital ownership, while critics argue they are speculative, environmentally costly, and sometimes disconnected from the value of the underlying media. At its core, an NFT works as a digital proof of ownership backed by blockchain technology, turning intangible files into assets that can be collected, sold, and traded. It combines scarcity, transparency, and security to create a system where digital items can hold real-world value. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.